Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing. You maybe remember this guy from a little while back. We did a Facebook Live video on it. So today we're going to do an unbox, and then we're going to jump in the car. I'm going to show you how to get it all rigged up and show you some footage from it. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. This is the PV-CG20. So this is the car USB charger. If we go ahead and open the box, we have our included instruction book. So this unit also has a switch for night vision, which I'll show you in a sec. We have our PV-CG20 just there with our little USB charging port and our camera lens on it. We have our 16 gig microSD card included as always. And we have our download and transfer cable should you wish to use that or didn't have a computer with a microSD card slot. Nothing else to it, guys. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But if you're after an in-car DVR or recording capability, this unit would be one of the ones to go for. It actually has the ability to record 20 minutes after the car's been turned off. So it does have a small battery life in it. So 20 minutes after the car's turned off, it'll continue to record for that period of time. So as you can see, you've got your camera lens just there. The unit has a 5 volt 1 amp output, so it's capable of charging most devices. And you've got your single USB port just there. Now to get to the memory card slot and also the night vision slot, what you want to do is you want to rotate this housing. So you've got these 3 ovals on each side. You want to get those and you want to twist it anti-clockwise? No, clockwise. Twist it clockwise. On this side, you'll expose your infrared light, so you can turn that either off or on, depending on day or night. And on this side, you've got your USB connection button, your format button, and also your microSD card slot. So if we go ahead and get our microSD card, I'll just show you which way it goes in. And we insert it with the words facing down towards the 12 volt input. Slides just in there like that, and then we want to push it until it clicks, just like that. And then you're ready to go. So all you do then, twist it back the other way, go ahead and insert it into your 12 volt socket in your vehicle, and you're good to go. It'll start recording from the moment the ignition is turned on until 20 minutes after. So it does have a small little battery life in it, so even if you turn the car off, it's still going to record for an additional 20 minutes. This unit does have the full HD resolution and is capable of 30 frames. It's also got a 78 degree wide angle lens, so you'll fit quite a bit of stuff on there as well. Thanks for joining us, guys. I'll go ahead and show you how to install it into the car. If you're unfamiliar with the 12 volt socket, join us for that, and then we'll show you some test footage from it as well.